If you see, when we click remove button, it's still triggering the click of this company, because if you go to company, this is the remove button. When we click this on company, click is getting triggered because the remove button is the child of our div which has the click event. Okay, so let's define on click for our remove button, similar to how we dispatched company click event. We dispatch company remove event as well. Let's pass this event in form of props. Let's go to the parent of the company, which is company's list, and define on comp remove here. And also pass the current index of the company that needs to be removed, just like how we did here. Let's pass on remove event in the form of properties from company's list to company management, which is right here. Grab the input parameter, which is the company index that needs to be removed. Let's just log a message on the console. Save all your files, make sure you don't have any errors, refresh. Looks like there's an error. Company remove. Oops, I missed E here. Okay, I called the function incorrectly here. Let's correct that. And company remove, handle company remove. Yeah, all seems fine. Save all. Refresh again. Yeah. So this works as expected. Now let's click on remove. So we get the index of the company that needs to be removed, 3. But when we click remove, we want to avoid the click of the company, and we don't want to display the company detail when user clicks remove of that current company. To do that, let's go to company. On company remove, by default every native event passes an event object, which we can grab it here, event, or just E, you can just name it anything you want. Once we pass the custom event called on comp remove, we want to avoid this function being called. To do that, we can just stop propagation of the event so that event won't get passed to its parent on top. Save it, refresh. Now if you click remove, it just calls the remove function and it won't call the click function of the company when we click remove. However, when we click the company, it will work as expected. Okay, let's remove the company from this list and reset the selected company to the first company. So what we are doing on click of remove is we are taking the existing companies array, splicing it by one item. This takes out the selected company object from companies list. We are then resetting the selected company to the first company in the list. We are also resetting the companies array, which would be lesser by one item when it reaches here. Okay, again this is same as this. All right, save it, refresh. Fine, let's remove NetApp. So once we remove NetApp, the selected company should default to the first company in the list, which in this case is Google. Great. So NetApp is removed from the list. At the same time, the selected company is reset to the first company element. And if we remove all the companies, the selected company would be empty here. So if company's length is 0, selected company would be empty and we don't get to see anything. Let's add the companies back. Click, remove. So there it is. Stay tuned and subscribe. Cheers.